Hey everybody, Sherri Michelle here with RavishingLather. Thanks for joining me again. Do you want to see how I made this beautiful cake in the sky soap? Well, stay tuned for more. This creamy goat milk soap will nourish your skin, hydrate it, and keep it supple. First, I'm just going to go ahead and melt my goat milk soap base, and then come back and begin to add my fragrance, color, and everything else. After adding alcohol and solidifying my soap a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add the next layer. I wish everyone could smell how yummy this soap smells. It smells just like a huge pound cake. And this is my second favorite part of soap making. Unmolding the soap and then cutting the soap is my next favorite. I absolutely love how this soap turned out. It's so beautiful. It looks like a sky and it smells like a really fluffy, vanilla, sugary pound cake. It smells so good. I love how the drop swirl came out. It's so pretty. You can see all the hints of the brown, the white, the blue. It just meshes so well together. I'm very excited about it. And there you have it, our beautiful RavishingLather cake in the sky goat milk soap. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. As always, subscribe, stay tuned for more. You can visit the link below to purchase this soap and other items from our store. Look forward to seeing you soon.